So today, we'll make responsive nav using drawer component. First, let's hide this navigation on mobile. So open your code editor, open components, common and header.js. In this nav tag, let's add the custom class called mobile hidden. Here, I have added display none for mobile. Check the side, and now navigation is hidden for mobile, but it should be visible for desktop and tablet version. Now let's add the drawer component, so open nDesign website, click components and drawer. We'll use the basic example, so click on show code, click JavaScript, copy this import and paste them at the very top. Then copy the state and two functions, so drawer and onClose. You can paste them before the return. Then finally, we need to copy the button and a drawer element. You can add them after the logo div, but create a new div with a custom class mobile visible. Now this div should be visible only for the mobile. Let's take the preview and we can see it is working. If you go to desktop version, it is hidden. Great. Instead of this content, let's use the actual navigation. So we can copy and paste them inside this drawer element. Remove the class called mobile hidden. Take the preview and you can see those navigation. Now let's also add the icon. So click on icon, you can search the icon. Let's search for menu. Let's use this menu outlined. You can paste them inside button and don't forget to import the icon at the top. Check the preview again and it is looking good. We got one minor issue over here. Whenever we click on other pages, this drawer is not closing as in the actual website. To resolve this issue, in this nav link, we can use onClick event. In onClick event, we can then pass the onClose function. You can add them in every nav link element. Once done, you can check the site again, and this time it is working perfectly. Great! This is the end of this session. Feel free to comment below if you have any question. Also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you.